TikTok made this battery-powered rolling TV famous, so great for pulling up to your bedside, taking to the bathroom, outside, you name it. But now the LG StanbyME 2 makes this concept even better by making the screen detachable. StanbyME 2 looks very similar to the original, but now since the battery is included in the 27-inch screen, it can come off and come with you anywhere. LG is offering all of these accessories so you can hang it up on the wall, carry it around, stand it up here with a folio case like you'd see on an iPad, and this one-click vertical stand that stands it up well vertically. Smaller improvement is that there's now a place to put a remote, it's magnetic, and there's also a USB-C port up here so you can attach a webcam for video conferencing. LG is also saying that the resolution is improved from 1080p to 1440p, and that the battery life is also improved by 1 hour, so 4 hours total, up from 3 hours on the first-gen StanbyME. All in all, the upgrades just make this lifestyle TV that much more fun. I love a product that doesn't take itself too seriously, lets you have a little fun. Carry around your TV with a strap. I mean, what's not cool about this? But let me know in the comments what you think about the LG StanbyME 2. Even better, have you tried the original StanbyME and making it detachable? Is that something that would convince you to upgrade? Be sure to chime in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.